Hello and welcome to Better 5. My name is Dr. Benjamin Stevens and I have been a doctor of chiropractic for 10 years now. I work with all walks of life, many different types of people, to help make sure that they maintain their health and restore things after they experience some injuries. So I am here to talk to you specifically about the knee and how you can help yourself maintain your knees in the long run, and how you can understand your knees better and hopefully restore them if you've had previous issues with your knees. So one thing I want to make sure you have the time to understand is arthritis. Because one of the main things that people like to complain about as they age is arthritis. And one of the main places they like to talk about it is in the knees. They feel as though their knees are aging. They feel as though their knees are degrading. And I want to address some of this just to make sure that you understand the realities of the situation. So one of the first things that you need to know is just because you have arthritis on an X-ray or you have it on an MRI, doesn't mean it needs to hurt. You can have arthritis, you can have degeneration, and it doesn't actually have to hurt in any way, shape, or form. There are lots of people that have these things physically. If you were to look at a report, if you were to look at an image, you'd see changes, but they don't have pain. And the reason I'm saying that is even if you have these changes, you can do a lot of what we're going to give you, and hopefully it'll help start to change the way your knee functions, and it will start to change the pain.